Hey, so I'm almost ready for a wedding we're going to. Need to let these curls drop a little bit, but last thing I need to do is my eyelashes. So I've been sent these gorgeous lashes from Pretty, oh I can't see it, Desire. I've got the choice of 3, so I'm going to show you the different ones. So I'll just quickly show you the 3 of them. We have Relentless, look at those gorgeous lashes, and we have Rebellious, which are really sort of thick ones, those ones, and we have Be Sleek, which are finer ones. But tonight, am I going to go for Relentless or Rebellious? We'll go for Relentless. So I've got my lash and the glue on. I'm using the wrong way around, sorry guys, the Kiss black glue. So what we need to do is we need to look down when we're putting it on, and then we're just placing it on. So I've popped the first lash on. I'm just going to go for the second. So I'll keep my head up as high as I can and then go down. You're not going to be able to see very well, I'm sorry guys. And just sort of pull the edges into place. And then just press it down, make sure it's touching. I'm just using my mirror here now, so which is the best angle? We'll do this way. Oh god, I've got glue all over my fingers.